Let's create a new user account for a broadcast radio product. So we go to Settings, User Management, Edit Contacts and Users, and we're going to click on the New button here in the top left. You can enter the name of the user in the name field under the General tab. So this one is Paul Bacon, and we can add more details in if we want to. And then if you click on the Login tab, this is where you actually set up a user account for a broadcast radio product. And this makes a user account rather than a general contact. Click in the box to allow the contact to log into the directory database. So tick that, and then you can enter in a username and password. To add a password, click on Change Password, and then we'll add that in. Type it in once and then type it in a second time to confirm. That's been added now. The options below, you can set the account to be disabled, allow the contact to change their own password, insist that they change their password after the next login. The next option allows them to automatically log in if they're using the same account name for Windows, and then there is an option for the account to be a software account only. In the account information box down at the bottom, you can set an expiry date on the account, and you can also see when they last logged in. Onto the Security Settings tab, and this is where you assign a security group to the user. So we had a security group of all users or a security group of 1 to 100. You can use a bespoke permission set if you wish. This will bring up the same window and options as we saw in the security groups video. We'll just use the main all users security group permissions. Below this are the Myriad 5 Playout personal permissions for that user. Here you can set their personal media ID range, and there is also a tick box there to decide if they have the ability to edit the media in that range or not. This works in addition to whatever edit ranges you have set in the security group. Notes, that allows you to enter any notes about the user account you wish and gives you the date and time when the contact was created. When we're ready, click on Save to save the contact, and then we can exit out. And if we refresh, we can see our new user account here. If we hover over the icon, it tells us that it's a user account. If we need to edit, modify that user account, again, we can double click or right click to bring up the contact card.